Today I will show you how to start using TelTel. Locate the registration form on the TelTel homepage. Make sure you enter correct and verifiable data. Go to the payment section. You can pay either via bank transfer or cryptocurrency. You might need to enter your address details. This information will also be reflected in your invoices. Make sure that you enter correct data. Go to the Users section. This is the admin user that has full permissions. To add more users, press the Add User button. One agent equals one user. Please note that for each user there is a monthly subscription fee. Each user has their own account they can log into. You can edit the login and the password to your needs. You can also edit the name of the user and the number, which can be used for calls between agents. You can use either our Webphone and make calls right from the browser, or a third-party soft phone application. Using Webphone is very simple, just press the phone icon near the user. You can also open the operator dashboard for a convenient interface for using the Webphone. You can use either the Webphone window or the Webphone plugin, which is integrated in the page itself. If you want to use a soft phone, you can download pre-configured applications by pressing options for a user. You can download Zoopper, Phoner Lite, and LenPhone. If you would like to use another soft phone, you can find all the required data for registration by pressing on the SIP device number. For demonstration, we'll configure microSIP. Please note that when using Webphone, the SRDP mode must be on. If you're using a soft phone, you first need to disable SRDP. In case your soft phone supports SRDP, you can enable it in both soft phone and TelTel. For calling, you will need to buy numbers. Go to the Phone Numbers tab and click on Buy a Number. Here, you will find all available numbers. Please note that some destinations will require verification. If you're not sure what number to pick, contact our lovely customer support. Please note that the charge for the number happens when it's added to your account. You will get charged for the setup price and for the first month of the number usage. Number orders are usually processed within 24 hours. When the number is added, you will be notified by our support team and you'll be able to find it in the phone numbers section. You can call any destination from your numbers. Next, we will need to add the numbers to the users. Press on the Edit button in the Caller ID column. Press on the drop-down menu button. Select a number and press the Add button. You can add several numbers. You can also remove a number by pressing the Remove button. Note that each number has its own ID. You can change the order of these numbers by dragging them. When making a call, the system will automatically pick an according number for the destination you're calling. If you don't have a number for the destination, the system will pick a number that is most cost-efficient. If you want to manually set the number for making a call, just write the number ID after the number you're calling. Don't forget to press Save to apply your changes. Now, you're all set to start calling using Webphone or your chosen soft phone. To check our subscription plans, number prices, and call rates, go to the footer of the TelTel page. Feel free to contact our customer support in case of any questions or issues. Thank you for choosing TelTel.